Hello everyone, it's Salman here. Welcome to my channel sktechnicalfigure. So today we are going to talk about the Samsung folding phones coming this year. So let's start the video. So what's next after folding smartphones? Well, some manufacturers seems to think it's a rollables. Others, like Samsung, have another idea. Either the double folding phone or dual folding or dual fold. A new report from Nike Asia claimed that such Korean company is just working on such device. It should be out at the end of this year. So Samsung has so far filed multiple patent applications such as double Hind design apparently. This will be a new form factors to complement the others in its roster. The successor to the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and Z Flip are still expected to earlier in the year, and this double folding magical thing will be Samsung's new shot in the dark first generation product to keep that innovative edge going. The device would have an unfolded screen aspect ratio in the line with mainstream options such as 16:9 or 18:9 to let more games and other apps to run smoothly with better resolutions. Samsung is doubling down on foldable. As you know, the old models of Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip came recently. It is set to have an internal goal of selling as many foldable smartphones as it has Galaxy Note devices, more than 10 million each year. According to some analyst estimates, the company has sold around 3.5 million foldables last year and is on track to 7.5 million in 2021. So this is the latest news came from the Nike Asia, which I will mention in the description. I hope you get some information about Samsung foldable smartphone which are coming in this year. If you had not subscribed to my channel, hit subscribe button, like and share this video to your friends. We will meet in the next video. Till then, it's goodbye.